What is up, guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. I'm super pumped for today. It's early March, but it's supposed to be like, I think 63 degrees here in northern Colorado.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
We decided we're gonna get up into the hills, do a little fishing, find a couple spots that have been a little iced over, but hoping that with the recent warm weather, they might be clearing up. Oh, damn it.
There we go.
It must be like a Dorito or something, because they are just like nibbling it. Come on, I need them to act like it's a steak.
Hey, what are you using? Did you know the human head weighs 8 pounds?
This video, just in this little 4-minute clip alone, or whatever it is, I think I missed 4 fish. Can he do 5? Can he do 5 missed fish in 5 minutes? Anyway, a lot going on today. Hope we get a ton of great content that we can share with you guys and that you can enjoy. And yeah, stay tuned. Here we go. All right, people, we're back at it. It is a bluebird winter day. Is it spring yet? The ice is pretty much broken off in most spots. There's still some, but it is gonna be absolutely gorgeous. Oh, yeah, let's stop and look. I'm gonna do kind of a dramatic pan.
It's a bigger shelf than last time.
Well, that's a different part of the water. We didn't fish there. Got to keep the big guy straight. Josh and I are gonna have a competition. Whoever loses buys the 6-pack. Yeah. Stay tuned for lunkers and
Chunkers.
yeah. All right, so finding myself a little spot here. Still some snow on the ground, but not too bad. The only accessible spot. I think I just spooked some fish right there, but that's okay. Couldn't get down anywhere else. So, sorry for the heady breathing. But I'm gonna try this spot out and see what happens.
There we go. Beautiful fish. Hell yeah. There's a beautiful Poudre rainbow right there. That's a beautiful fish. Chill out, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. He's been caught before. You can see that little scar on his cheek. Heck yeah, we're on the board. We got a fish for March, people.
Got that guy. Decent little rainbow, it looks like. Took that midge. Oh, that's a cool looking fish. Yeah, pretty guy. Beautiful. Beautiful bow. Took that little midge. There he is. Get him back in the water. All right, now let's get him back. There he goes. All right, we're on the board. Nice light little take. I can't believe I hooked him. Oh, and he's a jumper. Easy, big fella. Easy, big fella. Okay. Let's keep him wet. There he is right there for the camera. Looking good. Okay, now we're getting back in the water. See you later, little guy. You're a beautiful fish. Thanks for playing. Let's see if we can't get into another one. I feel like my waders are saggy today. Maybe I'll bring that style back. You know, those saggy pants. Saggy waders. Like FUBU waders. Talk to Damon John, see if he wants to partner. Make some waders. That'd be cool. I'm a little surprised Josh hasn't made it up here yet. Give him a little more movement through there. Oh, I broke off. Look at him. He's got it. Doggone, he's swimming with my whole setup. Must have broke off like at the tippet ring. There he is right there. Let's keep an eye on him. If he comes around, we might have to try to get him.
Meow. Any luck? 7? What the F? I was all proud of my fish. How many have you caught? Oh, 7. No biggie.
And I got one in front of me that broke me off, and he's got my indicator floating right here, so I'm trying to snag him. Well, if I go too close, he'll run, but oh, I missed that one. Look at all the muck that came up from all those fish that just spooked up.
All this muck is gonna make him not be able to see us too. If you can grab that indicator, I think that's gonna be your best bet.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
Nice. Oh my gosh. There you go, buddy. Amazing fish too. So for backstory, well, I guess Jonas probably explained this on his camera, but he caught that fish and it broke off and you could see the bobber coming around. So what happened was we tried to kind of corral him between the two of us, and then in the process we kicked up a bunch of muck, so I don't think he could see us coming, and we were able to, as you saw, snag the bobber.
Did it? Yeah, it's right there, so he's free.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Get him off the...
It's my best fish of the day.
Right when you are, buddy. Kind of hold him over your net. Oh!
There he goes. Hey, we did a good thing.
Yeah.
Freed him up. There he is. That's a better fish. At least he's feisty. Look at him run. Downstream, okay. Yeah, nice little brown. Check him out. Right in the upper lip. Got him released. Oh, I just realized I didn't do my other. No wonder they're sagging. I didn't buckle up one side of my waders. That's kind of ridiculous. Seems like they're interested early. Hopefully I can set a hook and not miss all of them that are interested. That's 2. There we go, that's where we want it. That's the fishing lane. Got that one. Oh, he's a jumper. Good little fighter, healthy fish. Another brown, about like that one I caught. A little skinny for how long he is, but still a good looking fish. There he goes. He's a jumper. Looks like another brown, I think. That's a pretty boy. Oh, he took the worm. Yeah, baby. Get him back in the water. All right, I just throw on a different rig. I've got my dry, a little emerger, and an egg underneath that. I've never caught a fish on an egg, I just realized. I haven't used them very often, and I just hooked into one and lost him. So, hoping this egg is a good something to get us out of the doldrums here, because the fish has slowed down on what we were using. Oh, another bite on the egg. And I've never caught a fish on an egg. Did I say that? I don't know. I got excited just now. Anyway, it'd be fun to catch one on an egg. Like I said, I hadn't used one very often. Oh, got that one. That's a pretty good fish. Good little brownie. Oh, that's the best fish of the day. Dude. Yeah. First ever egg. It's a good fish.
Another one.
Damn, dude, you found a hole.
Come here, dude. Feisty, dude.
You're killing it.
Another one on the egg. Another good fish. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, that's my best fish of the day.
No, it's not gonna work.
Look at that, dude.
Dude, that is a beaut. That's the brown again?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, back at it. Just caught my two best fish of the day back to back on this egg. They're just killing it. So I think I'm up to 10 fish. Might be double digits now, or 9. Let's call it 9. Got to catch one more. Hopefully the egg stays hot. Man, he got that good. There he is. Let's get him wet. Dude, what the hell? There he is. Oh, yeah.
Bone. Am I recording?
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Oh, boy. Come back.
We're gonna watch the graceful netting from Jonas C. Thomas.
Oh. Dude, that's a big fish. Dude, that's a big fish. Oh, I foul hooked him in the fin.
So he probably felt bigger too because he was going against the current.
Actually, it went through. There's plenty in here for both of us.
We're buds. If you didn't know me, I think you'd be a little bummed about this.
About you doing this?
Yeah.
Nah. Oh, yeah, if I didn't know you?
Yeah.
Just somebody trying to come up and split your spot?
Okay, can we just talk for a little bit?
Dude, are you on?
I think so. Oh no.
I just saw a fish flash right there, too.